Hostess is a company that just recently has been shut down. They make many different things: cupcakes, bunny bones, Twinkies, and many other delicious snacks. That means it. That means it's the end of Hostess products. Everyone is grabbing them off of the shelves while they can get them, while they will continue to deliver until they run out. Well, once they run out, there will be no more. So some people also lost their jobs as a result of the close. It's possible, though, it could come back if somebody comes and buys Hostess. I hope somebody can come and buy it back. When when it was around, I would buy them in the vending machines and sometimes the gas station. It's been around for a long time since before I was born. It was around since my mom was younger that they were around. On records, it's been around since. I'm not sure if this is the right date, but this is what I've been hearing. It's been around since 1925. It's a known product that has been around for so long. It's hard to believe that Hostess has shut down their company and their products. Many other products will be missed.